Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm making my intro after a really long time. So I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see in the thumbnail, I'm making this macrame chair. So I could not put the whole process into this single video. So I made it into two parts. This is the part 1 and the part 2 is also coming in next few days. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to see the next part as well. So comment down below to let me know how it was, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is completely free and just have to press that red subscribe button over there. So let's go start with the video. I found out this chair on our backyard, or you can say the frame of the chair, because there is almost nothing left. It was a very old chair and was in a very nasty condition. So I thought to give this a nice makeover and make something beautiful out of it. Starting with removing all the ropes that are hanging, which used to be the seat of the chair. Then I have to use a sandpaper to remove all the rust from the surface. The surface was very rusty, and this step is very important before coloring to make the surface smooth. After that, I'm using this red oxide metal primer as a base coat. This was in color red. Red oxide is super resistant and can protect the chair from rust for a longer time. After the primer, the chair was looking very smooth and I was quite satisfied with the finishing. For the next step, I'm applying this high gloss enamel color. I wanted to have a wooden feeling on the chair, so I'm using the color golden brown. Let the chair dry very nicely and look how glossy and smooth it looks. I started working from the upper side. This chair has a frame which made my work little easier. And I'm using this 3 mm size cotton macrame thread. I have cutted the cords into 110 inches each and started hanging them one by one like this. For this pattern which I am going to do, I am attaching total 30 cords. To start with the pattern, separate 6 cords from one side. I am going to work with these 6 cords first. From these 6 cords, ignore the side cords for a while. With the 4 cords from the middle, make a square knot. Make a L shape with the left cord. Then this right cord will go from behind and pass through. This will form a knot. Simply tighten it till the end. And for the next step, just do the knot with the opposite cord. Make a L with the right one. Then the left cord will go from behind and pass through. This is called a square knot. Then take the leftmost cord, which we left at the beginning. With the second cord, loop around the first cord twice and tighten each time. Then come to the next cord, do the same with the rightmost cord as well. Each cord will make 2 loops each time. Then at last, loop around the left cord to the right one. So this is the basic pattern of the whole chair. Repeat this on the first row. Once you are done, for the second row, take 6 cords from the middle of the above this 2 pattern. You can expand your looping pattern little bit towards left so that the finish of the sides are nice. Then continue the pattern towards right. The more you make the pattern, the more it will look pretty. After almost spending 2 to 3 hours, this is the progress I have made. I'm gonna complete it till the end of the frame. So it's finally done, and some of my cords get really short. I had to join some extra pieces. Anyways, it is gonna be on the back side, so I guess it's okay. Now it's time to secure the sides. Attaching another cord on the side frame and passing it through the little gaps which are on the sides of the pattern. This is how the 2 sides will look like. It's time to finish the pattern and join them on the bottom. To do that, I have to flip my chair first. The back side is looking really messy because of all the joinings. To attach, take 1 cord and loop around the rod like this and pass through. This process doesn't look that strong, but trust me, once you do this, you cannot reopen it at all. Do it 2 to 3 times with 1 cord and at last tie a knot for extra securance. Do the same with all the cords. And after trimming the cords, this is how it will look like. So that's all for today, guys. Come back and do watch the full product on the next video. Till then, bye bye.